Jump a cave. Ow. Jump a cave. Ow. This for my motherfucking brother. This part 2, brother. I seen something there. Off in Jackson, Mississippi. Ow, seen it in Food Depot. Ow, she was looking so good. Mind slip, heart slip, mind can stay still, y'all. She was looking so damn good. Ow, I had to figure out what to say. My step 2. What's up, gorgeous? Can I hold you for a little while? Ow, in the stove, man. I know we're in Food Depot, baby, you're looking so damn good. Ow, my eyes slipping right now while I'm talking to you. Kinda stay still. Jump a cave. Jump a cave. Oh. Somebody give me a job. Ow. God, please start this so hard all over again. No, somebody give me a job. It won't stop. Damn. See at the red light. She gave me her number, y'all. I called at the red light. Damn, baby, you looking so damn good. Can my tongue reach out and touch you from the inside of this car to the inside of yours? Oh, somebody give me a pair of jumper cave. Ow! Car won't crank. Heart won't crank. Cause I don't have your number, baby. Heart won't crank. Mind won't crank. Oh, baby, I need a number, jumper cave. Somebody lend me a prayer, God. Looking so good. Oh, good. I didn't know what to do. I need a prayer jumper cable to jump on fucking hard on. How can you breathe? I can't breathe. Somebody jump me out. Jump a cable, jump a cable, jump a cable. Damn, y'all. Looking so good. Blow my mind. Let it play, y'all, for a minute. Jump a cable. Jump a cable. Jump a cable. I ride out on a picnic, Caroline, anything you want. Can I put my heart on the? Can I put my heart? Can I put my heart on the table, baby? Put a candle in it and let it. You blow it out, minute with it. Jump a cable. I can't jump a cable. Out, jump a cable. Out, jump a cable. Oh, can I start all over again? Jump a cable. It won't crank. Mine won't crank. Heart won't crazy. I need a pair of jumper cable. Lord, can you jump this so hard out one more time? Jumper cable. Jumper cable. Somebody please help me. Somebody help my heart. Car won't crank. Please help this heart crank. Cause you're looking so damn good, I don't want to be late. Ow! This is my first time, I don't want to be late. Ready to lay her down with his tongue. Eat her down with his tongue. Make a mind lose her mind. Make a mind lose her heart. Make a mind lose her soul with your tongue. Jump a cave. Jump a cave. Won't crank. Won't crank. Jump a cave.